Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Quick Fix Plus is probably one of the most talked about synthetic urine products on the market, promising a reliable solution for those needing to pass a drug test. Today, we will deep dive into this product, exploring its features, effectiveness, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right choice for your needs. We will analyze its composition, ease of use, and temperature control mechanisms, comparing it to other similar products available. Number 5. Patelai Urine Test Kit. This kit comes with everything you need for convenient urine testing. It includes 2 portable bottles and 10 temperature test strips, providing ample supplies for your use. These bottles are made of high-quality plastic, ensuring they are sturdy, durable, and resistant to damage. They are also reusable, saving you money in the long run. Testing is a breeze. Just fill the bottle with urine and apply the temperature strip to check the temperature. The color change on the strip makes reading the results simple and clear. The bottles are perfect for travel, holding various liquids like water or other solutions. The temperature strips are versatile too, useful for measuring the temperature of liquids in different settings. Each bottle is compact and easy to carry, measuring approximately 2.3 by 4.2 by 0.9 inches. The temperature strips are also conveniently sized at 0.6 by 2 inches, making them easy to store and use. What we like. It comes with multiple bottles and reusable temperature strips, so you'll always have what you need. If you need a cost-effective and practical solution for daily use or sharing, this is the perfect choice. Its simple design makes it easy to use for anyone. What people say. 2 plastic hard bottles that are spill-proof and microwave-safe. 10 temp stickers. The temperature labels worked for me and the containers were watertight. I was reading reviews before purchase about how some people said the temp strips don't work, however that was not the issue for me. Just came to say these worked great for me and the temp strips did their job. Number 4. 14 Pcs Urine Test Kit. This kit has everything you need for convenient and accurate urine testing. It includes bottles, temperature strips, and a carrying case for easy transport. The translucent bottles are small and easy to carry, fitting easily into a bag or pocket. It's perfect for on-the-go testing. The kit is made with durable, high-quality materials. The bottles are strong and leak-proof, while the leg straps are stretchy and comfortable. Simply attach the color-coded temperature strip to the bottle and pour in your sample. It provides an instant temperature reading. It accurately measures temperatures from 90 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit and 32 to 38 degrees Celsius, ensuring reliable results. It's suitable for various settings. This kit provides a complete solution for urine testing. Everything you need is included in one convenient package. What we like. This kit includes everything you need for a convenient and comfortable experience. If you value quality and a secure fit, this is the one for you. The elastic straps and neoprene bag ensure a discreet and comfortable fit for various body types. What people say. The bottles have a temperature strip, and a few bottles and a strap pouch for the bottles to be able to keep on the inside of your leg. This product worked as advertised. It was here within 2 days. The temperature strips were accurate when compared to a digital thermometer. They only light up within the 10-degree window of 90 to 100 F. So if it's too hot, wait a few minutes and it will cool to within the 90 to 100 degree window and light up. The neoprene sleeve kept the bottle warm and within the correct range for at least 30 minutes without a hot pack. Pros: it works. Temperature strip, high stretch leg strap which keeps the bottle with the urine in place and keeps it warm, comes with multiple empty bottles and strips. Number 3. Urine drainage bag with extended tube. This convenient, single-use bag offers a large 2,000 milliliters capacity and is designed for easy disposal after use. It comes with an extended tube for added comfort and convenience. The clear bag features easy-to-read graduated measurements, so you always know how full it is. This high-capacity bag reduces the frequency of changes, saving you time and money. It features a splash-resistant drain spout for mess-free emptying and a secure seal. The anti-reflux chamber prevents urine from flowing back into the tube. The included 18-inch extended tube is BPA-free, flexible, and kink-resistant for comfortable use. It also includes a protective cap and adapter. The bag has a hook for convenient hanging on your bedside or floor stand. It's perfect for various settings, from home to hospital. What we like. With its large capacity and anti-reflux design, you won't have to worry about frequent changes or spills. If you need a reliable and hygienic solution for extended use, this is ideal. The splash-proof spout and anti-reflux chamber provide peace of mind. What people say. They are easier to empty than the other brand. The little end spout is easier to put away, too, you slip it into a little pocket. The bag is easy to empty. The hose is much more flexible than others. We like them. The instructions let you know that it's important that the tubing be on a downward slope without any portion heading upward. Number 2. 14 Pcs Urine Test Kit. This kit comes with everything you need: 2 bottles, 10 temperature strips, a handy storage pouch, and a leg strap. It's got all the essentials for convenient testing. The bottles are made of durable, lightweight plastic, and they seal tightly. The temperature strips are easy to apply and change color quickly, giving you an instant reading. Testing is a breeze. Just collect your sample, place the strip on the bottle, and read the results. No complicated procedures are involved. Each bottle is precisely 100 milliliters, and the kit includes clearly marked temperature strips. Everything is conveniently sized for easy use and transport. These strips measure temperatures from 90 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 32 to 38 degrees Celsius, making them suitable for various settings, from home to the lab. What we like. This all-in-one kit offers convenience and durability for your needs. If you're looking for a simple yet effective solution with durable bag and strap, this is a great option. The included bag and strap make it easy to carry and store. What people say. The thermometers are accurate and the bottle does not leak under normal use. If what's inside bottle is less than 90 degrees or more than 100 degrees, it's not going to show on the temp strip, it only measures between 90 and 100. The bottles were the perfect size and the temp strips were accurate. Number 1. 14 Pcs Urine Test Kit. This kit has everything you need for convenient urine testing. It includes bottles, temperature strips, and a discreet carrying pouch. The durable plastic bottles are strong, leak-proof, and resistant to chemicals. The retractable clip is also long-lasting and dependable. Simply fill the bottle, attach the temperature strip, and read the results. It's quick, easy, and requires no special skills. The compact bottles and temperature strips are perfectly portable. Everything fits neatly into the included zipper pouch. The discreet design and retractable clip allow you to carry and use it privately. Keep your samples secure and your privacy protected. You get 2 bottles, 10 temperature strips, a handy clip, and a zipper pouch, all designed for ease of use and discretion. What we like. This discreet kit is designed for ultimate privacy and convenience. If you value discretion and ease of use, this is your best bet. The retractable clip allows for discreet placement and the zipper pouch keeps everything organized. What people say. Does what it should, but put heating pad in about an HR before. With fresh warm urine it will stay at 98 degrees for couple HRS. Perfect. Works well. The retractable clip is very crappy bit, the rest is all quality. It is very convenient and lightweight. Comes in handy for day-to-day use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.